is reminders not working on your iPhone? Don't panic. Here's how to fix it step by step. First, check your iCloud sync. And for that, go to your settings app and tap on your name on the top. Then tap on iCloud and go into See All. Here, make sure Reminders is turned on. This lets your reminders sync across devices. After that, restart your iPhone. A simple restart can fix temporary bugs. Hold the side button and volume up, then slide to power off. After that, wait for a few seconds and turn it back on. Next, check notification settings. For that, go back to the main settings menu and tap on notifications. Then scroll down and tap on reminders and make sure notifications are allowed. And also enable time-sensitive alerts. Also make sure that your iPhone is running on the latest iOS version. And if nothing works, sign out and sign back into iCloud. Make sure your data is backed up before doing this. And that's all. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more iPhone tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.